Hi, today's topic is how to download and install Java. Go to the Oracle website and download latest version of Java. Then just we can install it by clicking on next. Okay, and later what we will do is just add that bin path to the system variables. Then throughout the system level we are able to access the Java software, anything, not only for Java. Bin folder should be available, the system variables. Then that software will be available for all the users at system level. That is the unique way we are always do for other softwares also. Bin folder we are going to set in the system variables. Okay, later what we will do is write a program and execute the program Java files. That is the topic today. For that, what I will do is first I will open the Google Chrome, and here open the Google. First, click on the Java download for Windows. I will go to the Oracle website and download the Java. And here I am able to see here different things, but I will interested in Java Archive. All the versions I want to see. Here you are able to see latest versions, but if you want to download any specific version, then you need to go to the Java Archive. Just go here and scroll down. You are able to see all the things like all the versions. 21 from the beginning, 1.4.2 to 4.2, 1.1 also. Yeah, from Java SE up to 21 versions. I am interested in 21 version for the Windows installer. Here I am able to find Java Windows installer. Click on it. You are able to find here. It's downloading .exe file. Okay, but once it is downloaded, just click on the show in the folder. You can navigate to the show in the folder. Open it. Just open it here in the folder. This is the file we downloaded, and right now just double clicking on it. By double clicking on it, we can start the um, execution, like the installation process. I'm interested. Yes, here it is saying development setup. Okay, next I'm giving. Here is a thing where you want to install. If you want to change the path, you can change it from here. Okay, actually by default it's a 64-bit we downloaded here. That's why it is taking as a program files Java JDK 21. Okay, if it is a if it is download if you download 32-bit, then it will go to the program files. I will show you program files 86. Here it will go actually. That is the difference. If you download and install 32-bit, it will go to the program file 86. This is the 64-bit. That's why it is going to the program files Java JDK 21. Okay, I'm interested, like this path is fine for me. That's why I'm clicking on next. And once it is finished, we need to give this path actually, where exactly we need to see the where it is installed. Same path, Java. Here it is Java and JDK. Bin folder is here. All the binaries is sit under bin folder. uh, I want to set the path. That's why I'm giving this bin path to the system. Okay, I want to give access to all my users, system level users. That's why I'm giving setting in the system variables, environment variables. I'm opening and edit environment variables. Here path is there. Edit. Here you are able to see already set my path. That's why it is showing up. But okay, uh, you need to just click new and paste it here. New and paste it here. Okay, just double. That's why I'm removing one. Mm, okay, okay button, and close this one. And we need to open the command prompt. Just open the command prompt. Java compiler is working. If you want to check that one, Java C. Okay, Java. Okay, if you want to give full command Java, it is showing already actually. What is the available commands with Java, Java C? It is showing, right? Java with you can check as hyphen version. Okay, Hyphen version. It is showing the version for you. 21. See runtime environment 21.0. It is giving. Okay, fine. We are able to set up the environment variable. That's why we are able to call Java from C. If you have a D also, you are able to click Java from there also. System level, it is available. Uh, okay. What we will do is just we will write a simple program and execute the downloads. I will create a new folder and give it as a Java core. Okay, we can make it as core Java. What I will do is just I will new or else notepad directly. I will take notepad. Okay, file, new tab. Okay, save as, always save as, and here where you want to save it. Actually, we are from downloads and core Java. Downloads core Java. Okay, here I want to save. How I am going to save? If you save something like normal, then it will be text document only. Okay, I don't want to save it as a text document. Okay, let's see what happens if I save it as a first save. Okay, here you are able to see it's a text document. I don't want to save it as a text document. Open and save as .java file. This is .java file I am saying, and you should keep it in the double quotations. Save. Okay, you are able to see here like difference. This is the just a text document type is here Java file first.java. Okay, I'm interested to write something in the first.java, not first text file. I'm removing it. Okay, it's a Java file, but I can open in the notepad. Um, notepad. Okay, here I will write. What I will write is previous already. I do have some program here, simple program. What I wrote it. Uh, okay, what I wrote it here. Whatever class name is same as the file name. Okay, it starts with a capital letter, and I wrote took it as a first class. Okay, inside that, what I am writing is just main method. Main method I am taking, and inside that I am writing some output statement. Welcome to Java class in tech adders. Okay, just I want to execute this program. I'm saving it. Save. Okay, close this one and open the command prompt cmd. Okay, directly you jumped into this path actually. Okay, here uh, other files first.java is available in the core Java in the downloads only. Okay, we need to go to there only, because from there only you can execute that this file. Okay, what Java C to compile program first Java. It is compiled now. Here you are able to see it is created dark class file now. Okay, that is the first step. Now I want to execute it. What output will I will get? Okay, you are getting welcome to Java class in TechAdders. This is the output. I wrote it like a message, just message, welcome message printing from the program. Okay, that is what I got it now. Okay, system welcome to system.out.println output. On the output, I am printing something. This message, something like welcome to Java class in TechAdders. Yeah, this is the way we are going to write a simple program after installation. Um, if you want to know like same code execution in the IDE, follow the next session. Thank you.